श्रीमान परेड विसर्जन करने की अनुमति प्रदान करें।
The Honorable Minister Shri Marvin Gudina sir to address today's occasion with his to the Honorable Minister to receive the Guard of Honor and also inspect the parade. And the Guard of Honor is given by Kerry Fernandez, PSI of Vasco Police Station.
श्रीमान परेड निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है।
Vidya Mandir High School presenting before you a patriotic song.
First of all, a very happy Independence Day. Present here for this solemn occasion, our MLA from Vasco, also Chairman of SPDA, Mr. Krishna Daji Salkar, and our Honorable MLA from Murmugaon, Mr. Sankalp Amonkar, our Deputy Collector, Mr. Bhagwan Karmali, our Deputy Director Panchayat, Mr. Prasid Naik, Praveen J. Pandit, our Mamladar, our SDPO, Mr. Salim Sheikh, Sri Kapil Naik, PI, both my OSDs, Ethel Nunes and Nihal Keni, Girish Borkar, our first citizen from Vasco, Anita Torat, our ZP, Sandeep Sood, the Mandal President, Gajesh Shirodkar, our Mamladar, Seema Gadekar, our Mamladar, Mr. Dilip Tichorkar, in charge of our fire station, Devendra, our Excise Inspector, Emmanuel DeCosta, my BDO, Vikram Karekar, Vishal Pawar, both our AEs, Smita Kaunkar as well, Mr. Kamla Prasad Yadav, our Sarpanch from Chikalim, our Deputy Sarpanch Ashwarya Korgaonkar, Sankalp Mahale, our Sarpanch from Bogmalo, Lorena Dikuna, our Deputy Sarpanch. We are all here to commemorate the 78th day of independence of our great country. As we celebrate our Independence Day, you must have seen the enthusiasm right from morning, from the ramparts of Red Fort, our Honorable Prime Minister addressing the nation, other functions being held all over the country, right from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari to Goa and everywhere in the country. A different sort of enthusiasm. What is it that we are celebrating? And even before we celebrate this great occasion of oneness, with so much of diversity being prevalent and visible, there is unity in diversity, which is our greatest strength, the strength of our country. And when we talk about this, in the last 78 years, you must have seen the progress our country is making. It is not for nothing that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji says, Viksit Bharat 2047. When we will be celebrating 100 years of our independence, other nations took a lot of time to mature into countries, for their democracies to mature. In fact, some of the top leaders at a time of attainment of freedom said, India, it is very difficult to survive with the type of divisions, with the type of diversity. Today, all our countrymen have proved them wrong, and proved them wrong big time. We have marched forward to great progress. Point out to me a single field where as a country we have not progressed. Show me one place, particularly in the last maybe 10 years, the change in policies, ease of doing business, introducing new reforms for the running of this country, including GST, which is one of the biggest reforms, one nation, one tax, shows that we are in tune with the world. We are attuned to achieving progress. We are attuned to marching forward as a very cohesive people, excelling in the various fields that our citizens choose to take in their profession. And I must say, this is possible because of the leaders that have given you policies where energies of youth, energies of women, energies of your countrymen of all ages can be channelized in the great task of nation building. You look around in Goa itself, look at what happened in perhaps the last 12 years or so, how much progress Goa has seen. It is not that it is only on paper or what I speak says about the progress. It is there before your eyes. A small, tiny state called Goa has 2 airports, one at Dabolim, one at Mopa, one in the north, one in the south. We have 2 railways, Southwestern Railway, Konkan Railway. We have a natural port. We have good highways, broad roads, which are harbingers of growth, which are harbingers of progress that is going to be there. But sometimes, instead of appreciating what is being done by successful governments, it's not that some governments did not work. Some governments did better. I can safely say for the last 10 years, we have done better. Whether it is Nitin Gadkari sanctioning, even after 35,000 crores have been spent, sanctioning another 30,000 crores. What does it speak? Speak of a double engine. Speaks of both the government, central government and local government attuned to achieving progress. Today, we have an opportunity of building ourselves as the best state in the country and perhaps the world. We should not lose this opportunity, which I want to tell you. Sometimes we get caught up in so much of negativity. We get caught up in the negative propaganda to an extent that we stop believing what is actually right. This should not happen. Citizens should beware. They should be able to see the good from the bad. They should see what is actually there waiting for them to progress. What is waiting for building up the infrastructure of the state, which is going to result in good things happening for the common good of all the citizens. ओल्याचेर सुके जोडटा, सुक्याचेर ओले जोडटा अशी गोष्ट जावपाक जायना. गोंयकारांक हांव आव्हान करता, एक उलो मारता, बरे सरकारान कितें करीत आहा, केला, फुडारा जावपा आहा तें पळोवया. हे सगळे जाता तुमचे खातीर. पोल्युशन जाता म्हूण तूं गाडी चलयनाका, कार्बन डायऑक्सायड, कार्बन मोनॉक्सायड जाता म्हूण घोड्याचेर आमी या, शक्य आसा ना. ह्योच हायवे, हेच रस्ते करतना हुंचे ना हुंची झाडां कापलोली म्हणून येद्यो व्हडल्यो हायवे जाल्यो. प्रगती बाकीचे सगळे स्टेट करता, आख्खे जग करता, बाकीचे कंट्रीज करता, आनी आमी प्रगती करप ना. आमी फाटीं रावप आनी म्हणप कितें, आमी गोंय सांबाळटा, आमी गोंयकारां पासत गोंयकारपण सांबाळपाक. गोंयकारपण प्रगती करप ना तें गोंयकारपण. आमचे सामान्य मनशाक एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिवप ना तें गोंयकारपण. इंडस्ट्री येयना, प्रोजेक्ट तरी येयना जाल्यार एम्प्लॉयमेंट कशें येतले. अवश्य आमचे लोक भायर वयतलेच, आनी आमचे लोक भायर वयता तेन्ना हिंगा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी ना म्हूण भायर वयता. आनी एक सायडी म्हणप आमच्या लोकांक हिंगा कांय ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी ना, आनी बरे आहा ते सुद्धा प्रोजेक्ट स्टॉप करप. इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जी आमी म्हणटा कशी जनरेट जातली, जॉब्स कशे निर्माण जातले, आमच्या लोकांक कशी संधी मेळटली. वी हॅव टू स्ट्रायक अ बॅलन्स. पर्यावरणाची आमकां काळजी आसा, पर्यावरणाची आमकां काळजी आसा म्हूण मॅक्सिमम ईव्ही व्हेकल्स आमची हाडपाची, गोंयांत चलोवपाची प्रयत्न चालू आसा. न्यू पॉलिसी आमी काडलेली आसा. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक जाय म्हूण इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्ड, उद्योग हाडपाचे आमचे जोरान ते काम चालू आसा. हेजो अर्थ असो न्ही की आमी पर्यावरण पळयना, कांयच्या कांय प्रोजेक्ट सँक्शन दिता. सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाचे लोक आसता, व्हडले व्हडले सगळे ऑफिसर आसता, आमी तेजी काळजी घेता आनी मागीरूच परवानगी दिता. हे आमी केले बगर कशे जॉब निर्माण जातले, कशी प्रगती जातली आनी कशी संपत्ती हे स्टेटीची वाडटली, आमी चिंतपाक जाय. जस्ट एज अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड ग्रोज, एक ल्हान भुरगो व्हडले जाता, स्टेटूय आमची मेच्युअर जाल्ली आसा. आज लोकशायेचे आमी उलयता तेन्ना मातशें आमी एक नजर मारपाक जाय. शेजाऱ्या कितें जाता तें पळोवपाक जाय. शेजाऱ्या बांगलादेश एक उदाहरण आसा. इलेक्टेड गव्हर्नमेंट प्रेसिडेंट उडयले, हांव तेजेर उलोवपाक सोदना, पूण एक मुवमेंट तयार करपाक कोणाच्यानूय जाता नेगेटिव्हिटीचेर. हे आमी हांगा केन्नाच जावपाक दिवपाक जायना. आमी चतूर रावपाक जाय, नाजाल्यार सगळे कसोडटले. यू हॅव टू हॅव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स. आमचे ते इलेक्शन कमिशन आसून दी, ज्युडिशरी आसून दी, ब्युरोक्रेसी आसून दी, गव्हर्नमेंट आसून दी, इलेक्टेड बॉडीज आसून दी, जे पर्यंत सगळ्यांक रेस्पेद ना, आमकां कांयच सर्वायव जावपाक शकना. लोकशाही इज द कलेक्टिव्ह वील ऑफ द पीपल. आमचे घटनेनूच म्हणलेले आसा, वी द पीपल. हे प्रमाणे तरी आमी वचना आनी नेगेटिव्हिटी तरी आमी पसरपा लागले जाल्यार असो चान्स येतलो आमच्या हातीन सुद्धा उरपाना. आता अवश्य कोण रुलिंगार आहा तो केन्ना ऑपोजिशन जाता, ऑपोजिशन आहा तो रुलिंग जाता. पहिले ईव्हीएम बॉक्साचे उलयताले, ईव्हीएम बॉक्स अशे आहा तशे आहा तशे आहा. एकेपे जेन्ना तांकां 99 सीट्स मेळ्ळे आमच्या पक्षाक, एक पक्षाक, तेन्ना कोणूच ईव्हीएमाचे उलोवना. कितें जालें, इतलो प्रोपागंडा. फॉरेन एक्सपर्ट म्हूण हाडले, डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन केले, बदनामी करपा इलेक्शन कमिशनाची, बदनामी करपा सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाची, की मोदीजी जिखता फकत ईव्हीएमा लागून. मागीर कितें जालें, कोण उलयता ईव्हीएमाचे, कशे फटींग कोणा पसरयता ते हे व्हडलें उदाहरण जावन आसा. दुसरे 99 सीट्स जिखले म्हणल्यार मेजॉरिटी जिखूना केंद्रात. आनी प्री पोल अलायन्स पार्टनर म्हूण आसता, चंद्रबाबू नायडू आसून दी आनी दुसरो नितीश कुमार आसून दी, प्री पोल अलायन्स पार्टनर आशिल्ले. 295 सीट्स मेळप इज अ मेजॉरिटी, 272 इज द मिनिमम. तोरी आसतना अशे अफवा घालता एज इफ 99 पीपल हू वन 99 सीट्स आर द विनर्स, अदर्स आर द लुनर्स. अशें जावपाक जायना. हांगाय तेच पसरपाचे प्रयत्न आसा. बाकीच्या स्टेटीनूय आता थोडे स्टेटीनी इलेक्शन आसा, थिंगा अशे अफवा घालता की एज इफ बीजेपी पार्टी or central government has lost. We believe strongly in democratic institutions. We believe in democracy. Today we have matured into a very, very fine democracy The world is watching us. We were in the 5th position as a economy. Today, in 2 years' time, we will be in the 3rd position. Is this not speaking of the success in various fields? Launching of satellites, we launch at 1/10 of the cost what America launches or European countries launch. Today we have got intercontinental ballistic missiles which we ourselves are making. So much of progress in science and technology. Same science and technology also is being used to further production in a manner that the farmers also will get their due. All these things take little time. It is only that you should have strong policies which the central government is having. And we are seeing progress and progress everywhere, including this beautiful state of Goa. If we are going to keep our state beautiful, if we are going to make it the finest state in the entire world, not only in the country, it is already a jewel among the crown called India, as everybody says. It is a lovely jewel in the crown called India. We want to make it the best in the world. It will not happen only with government striving, only with us MLAs and ministers striving, or only the bureaucrats working in tandem with us. It is the people who have to support us. It is the people who have to be with us. Opposition should realize. You offer something much better, which is achievable than what the present government is doing. People may choose you, but don't spread negativity just to sell your name at the cost of some leaders. Because today social media is there. Falsehood like Global Truth, repeated 100 times, sometimes people are tending to believe even totally 100% false thing, knowing it is false. This is the tendency today. So we should not misuse tools which are meant for the better good of society, which is meant for the good of all the people at large. On today's occasion, our Soglang Ununit Porbidita. I congratulate everyone. I salute my citizens. We have matured today as one of the most awesome democratic nation in the world. Let us truly celebrate the 70th year of our independence. Let's not forget the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who laid down their lives, who gave their everything to make you and me free. Free not just for when rules don't provide, not for sleeping on the road and the truck going over you. Freedom to achieve something. Freedom for you to develop as a wholesome citizen. Freedom for you to progress in the profession that you are, in studies that you undertake, in anything that you do in life. Because the collectivity of all this is going to result in a very prosperous nation and a very prosperous state. With this, once again, hearty congratulations to all of you. Remember that this nation is on the march to great progress under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi at the center and Dr. Pramod Sawant here. Judge us when 5 years are complete, whether the task has been done or not, whether Goa has progressed or not, whether youth have opportunity or not, whether people have opportunity or not. When you are electing somebody for 5 years, it's not that in mid-term you try to eject somebody by undemocratic means, by false propaganda, by false thing. I'm sure ultimately better sense will prevail. Let us all together work for the good of our beautiful state, for the good of our country. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.